Okay, in today's video I will be showing you how I made this grid. So simply we will be needing a scale and a pencil and a eraser if required. So the length and breadth ratio will be 12 into 2 centimeter, and each of the square will be divided into like 24 zones, and each of the zones will of 1 centimeter from all the four sides, and it's very easy, I guess. Please make sure that you mark the pointers first, then connect those pointers to complete this grid. At the end you will get a proper measured grid to make your mandala patterns. So yeah, this is how at the end it will look like when you connect all the pointers. Now you can start off with your mandala patterns. Thank you.